Live an optimal life, through health and wellness. Be well, get well, and stay well.
And I want to talk briefly, Gabe, about the difference between supplementing and activating. I think there's a lot of confusion about that. When you supplement, you're just guessing. You don't have any product-specific research that tells you what that does. I mean, there are hundreds of vitamin D tablets out there. What calcium product do you choose? What does it do to your cells? There's lack of quality control. Which company is good? Which company is bad? Who suggested to take that individual product? Do you really know what the end result of gene expression or your overall cellular health is? And the answer to that is you don't. But when you're talking about the new science of nutrigenomics that I was talking about, you're talking about today's breakthroughs. These are studied. Gabe, this is studied in major academic institutions and published. We've known about this for a number of years. And when people read these studies, if they could digest it, and I guess that's half the problem. The lay public really isn't going to understand that. Right. And so I see my role as educator to get out into a public forum and to talk to people and try to put it into a simple, easy to understand format of what they are trying to say and explain in these very complicated published studies. And essentially, these are independent funded studies. They're being done by universities and institutions on their own accord. So they look at the end result on genes and cellular health. And they're also using the concept of synergy. I'm going to talk about synergy for a minute because synergy has to do with how things work in combination to a greater good. But first, I want to say something. That's that people are fed by the food industry, which pays absolutely no attention to health. And they're treated by the health industry, which I'm in. And we generally pay no attention to food. I mean, with that as our background, we don't stand a chance.
Thanks for watching, and remember, one change can have an enormous effect. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell and the like, and we'll see you next time on Love to Live.